This is a quick guide to the excellent range of eStart batteryless jump starters, in which we'll cover the most commonly asked questions regarding these products. Okay, the first thing we need to do is to connect the eStart to the problem vehicle's battery. And it's important that you get the polarity right. So we need to connect the red lead to the positive, which has got the plus sign on the terminal, and the black to the earth, which has got the minus sign on the terminal. And what you'll see now is on the eStart it shows how many volts there are in the battery at the moment, and currently it's showing 9 volts, as you can see here. The next stage on is we need to press the on-off button once. And what you'll see now is the ultracapacitors inside the machine are building up that power, and slowly that will increase the volts until it gets to 14 volts. Initially it will be a flashing green, and then finally, when it becomes a solid green light, the unit is ready to roll. That takes roughly 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how much power you've got in your battery and how healthy it is. Okay, so we now got a solid 14 volt green light, and we're ready now to start a vehicle. Now, in the case of modern cars, which are petrol or diesel, which don't require preheating, you could start straight away. But in this case, we're looking at an old Land Rover, which requires roughly 10 seconds preheating the glow plugs, in which case we have to press the glow button and it'll start to flash red. And after 10 seconds, we'll be ready to start the engine. Once the vehicle has started, you're ready then to remove the leads in the reverse order that they were applied in the first place. And the job's done. If you've got a modern car and it fails to start, it's very likely to be caused by the ECU, or the brain of the vehicle. What it's doing is it's overriding the whole process because it can tell that the battery in the vehicle is too low to start. So what we need to do is to override that part of the car's system. And we do that by simply disconnecting the eStart's positive lead from the battery, then reapplying it. Next, you need to press the eStart's on-off button once, then press it again and hold it until the green light above it starts to flash. And when the green light turns to a solid green, you can start your engine. Alternatively, there are 2 other methods of charging your eStart. It comes supplied with 2 leads. One is for a 12 volt accessory socket, and all you need to do with this is to lift the flap on the base of the eStart, plug in the jack plug, and the other end goes into your accessory socket. The important thing to remember here is that the socket must be powered, and you may need to turn on the ignition to gain that. The other option is to use an external power source, and with the USB lead supplied, the micro USB end goes yet again into the base of the machine, and the other end into your charging device. Thanks for watching this video, and there are other videos available on our website, and hopefully there'll be some help to you. Goodbye.